Okay? So domain kings play chess on funny green squares. For this class, we're going to focus on genus and species. Let me give you some examples of genus and species. And by the way, when we do genus and species, both are going to be italicized. The genus is capitalized, the species is not. So here are some examples of genus and species, like Staphylococcus aureus. That's the genus, that's the species. Bacillus subtilis, genus and species. You guys are used to saying E. coli, for instance. That's an abbreviation for Escherichia coli. Again, this is the genus, this is the species. So this is how we typically put all of the bacterium together with all the genuses and species. And some, for instance, E. coli, there's over 100 different subspecies of E. coli. 150 different subspecies of Salmonella. Salmonella is just the genus. Salmonella typhi would be the genus and the species. Okay? Before I start making you memorize, because you know how I feel about memorization, before I start having you learn all of these names, we're going to teach you a lot of other foundation topics first. And then near the second half of the semester, we're going to teach you all the names of all the organisms, all the diseases that they cause, 65 of them, and you'll do very well if you just follow my directions. So we're going to always refer to these bacteria by genus and species. Okay? We can also refer to the eukaryotes as genus and species as well. Right? Some of the worms, some of the parasites that cause disease, but we're not going to make references to the viruses by genus and species. That doesn't work that way, and you'll see why in a little bit.